I'm back. Wow, they have like 3-minute ads now. There's no way. I had to shut the app and like reopen it. I'm not gonna sit there wait for 3 minutes. I'll do anything to get these crowns though. So we're back here. Sorry about the last video. It was like cut short, but here we go. Let's learn some French together with Duolingo. C'est.
C'est.
It's kind of like it is kind of thing. Tu es un chat. So, oh yeah, tu es un chat. You're a cat.
Tu.
Tu. You. Informal. Tu es un cheval et je suis un homme. Tu es un cheval et je suis un homme.
Un chien.
Un chien. Un chien.
Un chien.
Un chien. A dog. Why are they putting a bear there? They're messing with me, eh? A dog. Trying to twist my mind. Tu es un garçon et je suis un homme. Je suis un homme. I'll be able to talk real fast like that real soon.
C'est
un
cheval. C'est un cheval.
C'est un cheval. It's a horse. Oh, okay, so. Oops. C'est. Oh, I hate typing. C'est un cheval. No, I almost got one wrong. C'est un cheval, right? Is that what he said?
C'est un cheval.
C'est un cheval. Period. Alright.
C'est un chien.
C'est un chien. English means it's a dog. It is a dog. It's a horse. French. C'est. How do I get to these things? EST. C'est un cheval. I need to learn some new vocab, man. They're just drilling this into my mind.
Tu es un chien.
I don't know when I would say that, you know? Tu es un chien. So that means, are you a dog? Right? Are you a dog? They're gonna get me in trouble, Duolingo. A dog and a cat. Un chien et un chat. Check the writing. Tu es Paul. Uh-oh. Tu es Paul. Is there a T on that one? Ah, man, the grammar. Okay, don't talk like that.
C'est un chat.
C'est un chat. It's a cat. Oh man, EST, c'est un chien. Are you a horse? C'est un cheval? No, wait, tu es un cheval. Yeah, right? Yes. Ooh, or ET. No, tu es un cheval. It feels like it should be a ES instead of the ET, so. Good job. Are you a cat? Tu es un chat? Tu es un chat? What happened? Scaring me, man. I lost my keyboard. I thought I got it wrong or something. Please, no 3-minute commercials. No 3-minute commercials. 3-minute. Can't even speak English anymore. Barely. Turning it down is like not working. Alright. Get me out of here. Skipping your offer. Is it always 60% off? Maybe 99% off and we'll talk, alright? I want to crack that egg. I gotta know what's in there. There's gotta be an orange bird in there. Orange bird? Green bird. Oh man. My mind's all scrambled. Let's do it. Crowns. Crowns, birds, eggs, chevals. Let's go. You don't say chevals. My mind is so messed up right now. What is that? Like, what is that? An ant? Like a creepy crawly? Aunt Jemima?
Un croissant et une orange.
Un croissant et une orange. So, a croissant and an orange. A croissant. Oh, how do I spell that? A croissant and an orange. Forcing me to type. I'm going to learn. Tu manges et un chat mange. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm going to say
Mange.
Tu manges et un chat mange.
Mange.
Because the cat is like less important, so they get like less letters. Hey, whatever works, man. I don't know.
Tu manges une pizza.
Tu manges une pizza. You eat a pizza. Or you are eating a pizza. You are eating a pizza. 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 How do you say pizza?
Tu manges une pizza.
Tu manges une pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay. Confirmation.
Une pizza.
Une pizza. Une. So feminine is a pizza. Une pizza. Fortified.
Un garçon mange un croissant.
Un garçon mange un croissant. So a boy is eating a croissant. A boy is eating a croissant. Croissant. Okay. Un chien mange et tu manges.
Mange.
Tu gets more letters.
Tu manges une orange.
Tu manges une orange. So you are eating an orange. You are eating an orange. You are eating an orange. Congratulations.
C'est un croissant.
C'est un croissant. Oops. Yes, c'est un croissant. C'est un croissant. It's a croissant. Paul mange un croissant. Uh-oh. I'm gonna say there's no S on it. I'm gonna get it wrong. Good. Haha.
C'est une pizza.
C'est une pizza. It's a pizza. C'est une pizza. C'est une pizza. Paul is eating a croissant. So Paul mange, no S, un croissant. Paul mange un croissant. Yeah, that sounds about right. Paul mange
Une orange.
une orange. Well, what am I supposed to do? Type the French. So, une orange. Une orange. Spelling mistakes. Une orange. Une orange?
Une orange.
Une orange. Okay. A boy is eating an orange. Un garçon with a squiggly. Un garçon mange une orange. Un garçon mange une orange. You are eating an orange. Tu manges, with an S, une orange. Tu manges une orange. Ba-ba! Bring it! Ah, it's like a breath of progression air right there. Easy peasy. One more, we
Learn
get the
piano this year
crown.
with the Simply Piano app.
Alex started learning piano, but the nursery rhyme.
I'm so proud of Alex. Alex joue en piano. I don't know. Joue is to play, I believe, but I don't know how to say piano. En piano. Bye-bye, Ad. We don't need your opinions. We're just here to learn French. All right, we're back. All right, I'm gonna take a break. Let all the sweat, go wipe it off from my brain. Towel, and I'll be right back.